Good morning. Good morning. Are you people not there or you are not speaking to me? What happened? Angry with me?
Good morning.
Don't want to talk to me?
Good morning, ma'am.
Speak up. Am I not audible?
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning. Are you able to hear me properly? Everyone, please switch on your cameras.
Ma'am.
Yes.
10 minutes.
What?
Ma'am, can you just give me a minute for turning on my...
Okay, I'll wait.
Ma'am, you can hear my voice.
I can hear you, but I can't see anybody's camera on. Can't see anybody's face.
Okay, I will on my camera.
So Sidra has switched on her camera. What about others? Please do it fast, Bachalo. We have lot to do. Muhammad Ali, you rock. You always rock. Shall we start now? In the previous class, we have started with Sprite. We have started with Scratch programming, right? I've told you how to sign in the Scratch. Just give me a reminder. Is it so? Have we done something in Scratch? Muhammad, stop using those features of Zoom. Stop it, okay? Tell me first, have you started with signing in Zoom now? Oh, sorry, signing in Scratch. Is it so? Tell me. What we were doing in the last class, we've done with the spreadsheets and we have done with the chart forming and all, right? So after that, have we started with Scratch or not? Yes, Sidra?
Scratch is that? Hello. Hi. Hello.
Yes, Mohammed.
That cat, when we press the button, it goes, hello. Hi.
So we have done that. We have done that. What? Answer me fast. Mariam Kazi, what we were doing in the last class, tell me fast.
We did spreadsheet.
We done spreadsheets. We have not done with the Scratch.
I could not hear anyone's voice.
Ma'am, we had done with the scratch a little bit.
We have
Ma'am, we didn't do scratch.
we didn't done the Scratch, no? Achha, tell me, with Riya ma'am, you have done with algorithm, right? Chapter 3.
Yes. Yes.
So we'll start with the scratch today. So what we have to do, you people, everyone, get ready with your devices, and whatever I am doing with my device, you also have to do the same thing. Okay. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen to you all, and you start doing the content. So what you
Ma'am, I
have
could
to,
not hear your voice.
why am I not audible properly?
Ma'am, when I'm putting my headphones down, I could not hear my voice.
Your voice is cracking. I think I'm
No.
audible to everyone. Apart from Humaira, Muhammad Ali, am I audible properly? Mariam Kazi, am I audible? Yeah, Humaira, there must be some network issues with you. You can even see the recording I'm going to download today itself in YouTube.
My voice is little like getting stuck.
Stuck. Okay, I'll change the net connectivity. No problem.
Your
Just
voice is not stuck.
okay, okay. Give me a second. I'll just switch it to my mobile. Okay, by then, everyone, you just went into this your main screen, and from your main screen, start using Google Chrome. Okay, just click into the Google Chrome. Mind it, whatever we are doing in the Scratch, it does not support in Internet Explorer. Okay, this thing is always supported with Google and one more browser. Bingo was the browser, but Internet Explorer is not supported with this. Okay, so now I'm as usual I'm using HubSchooling ID because it's on a HubSchool class. So just went into any of your ID because in my computer it is asking. Sometimes you might be not asking in your system. Everyone, please mute yourself. Some background noise is coming, so you won't be able to hear me properly. And I think I'm audible now. I have changed. I switched to my network. Now, everyone come in this page and I'm going to ask you to share your screen and show me your screens. Okay. So you have to do along with me. So everyone had came at this particular place, Google. Come to the Google browser page. Everyone done?
Ma'am, I already have a Scratch app at my Google.
No, no, no. I want you to go to Google first. We'll do one by one, step by step. If you jump into something else, then what happened? I have to see it again with you. I also have a Scratch with me, but I'm going with this only. Now what you have to do? Type Scratch so that everyone will be easily accessible. So it's there, but you have to type SCRATCH, Scratch, and press enter. Mohammed, did you type the Scratch in Google browser? Mariam? I can't find you
I'll
doing.
do it.
You are not doing, beta. Do it now. Otherwise, what happened if you people don't follow me? Then what will happen? You will be. I will go a little bit faster, and you will be far beyond me. And what then? I have to teach the same thing again. I think. So please, please, please.
Ma'am,
Go
you can type Scratch on online also, and you can type
No,
something.
no, no. Just type Scratch. Don't need to put anything.
I have the Scratch.
Okay. So as soon as you type Scratch, there are so many options given to you. So what you have to select the first one, and please do check, see my cursor, do check for the website. It should be scratch.mit.edu. Scratch is a program that has been designed by MIT institution, the students of MIT institution, and this is the authentic Scratch. Otherwise, what happened if you went to some other's website, then they will be giving you a lot of other things, so it won't be helpful for us. So don't go with Twitter, don't go with Google, don't go with any other. Just went into the Scratch, Imagine, Program, and Share with Scratch MIT.edu. Okay. So I'm going into it and I hope everyone is following me. Yusuf, have you done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you have to,
Can you hear my voice?
yes.
Ma'am, I could not hear your voice.
Why beta, everyone is able to hear my voice properly. Is somebody else is facing the same problem? No, no. Sidra, you are following me? Have you reached to this particular page? Okay. Mariam, you reached to this page? Yusuf, Yusuf, you also reached to this place? Hey! Omar, don't disturb my class.
Ma'am, which
I-
option do you
I'll,
have
I'll
to
keep you in the waiting room at the time you are there in the class. Acha. Don't disturb Sidra.
Ma'am, which option do you have to choose?
Did you reach to this place?
Yes.
Okay.
No, no. I didn't reach that place. I just opened the browser and typed scratch and the page comes.
So the first one, in the first one, you have to go see scratch.mit.edu. The first one is Scratch Imagine Program and Share. You have to click into it. Okay. Now, as soon as you reach this place, what you have to do? You have to sign in. Since I'm already signed in with the
Ma'am?
Scratch, I'm just signing out
Ma'am,
so that I will
Ma'am?
reach to this particular page. Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
we have to go on Google and just type scratch.
Yes.
And we have to click the link.
Yes. The link which is given by the MIT Education. Okay. Everyone reached to this place? This particular.
Noting. We have to go to create.
No, no, no. Wait a minute ना आप लोग ये पेज पे आए कि नहीं सब साथ में बता तो रहे हैं. Follow me. Okay. Have you reached this place, everyone? Umar Javed? Okay. Now what you have to do? Click into join.
Ma'am, what do we have to do after we get in the scratch?
Yeah, you have to join. Follow me. I'm
Join.
telling you step by step. I have to wait for every student. Na? So what you will do, you will just click into join. Okay. Click into join. As you clicked in join, write a username. A
Ma'am, you can
username.
hear my voice.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was saying
Ma'am,
don't
I
use
can
your
also
real
hear
name.
your voice.
Then Humaira, there must be some network issues with you. You
No, I can hear your voice.
Okay, that's good.
I
Na?
can
So
hear your voice.
please follow. Please follow, bacha. Okay. So what everyone please mute yourself. Some background noises are coming. Please mute yourself. And after clicking into join, create a username of your choice. And always remember the username, ID, and password. Okay. So what will happen if you create a user ID and password? Listen to me first. So by the help of this username and ID and password, what will happen? Every program that you will be creating will be stored in there itself in your Scratch account. Okay. So
Ma'am?
create.
Scratch.
Ma'am, you can do it online
Imagine
also.
program share.
Yes,
you can do it
imagine
online
program and
also.
share. Yes, we can do, but in that case, we can't access the previous programs. If I am creating some program, it should be saved inside the system. Na? So it will only save if I am using this joining commands. Okay. So I'm creating a user ID. You can create your own, any of your choice. So I'm just
Create
creating.
a password.
Password would be of your choice. You can create any password of your own.
Why not wearing a Santa hat?
What?
Why not wearing a Santa hat?
I am going
Now create a password. Password could be of your choice. Let me take it as.
And now join, start creating.
No, no, no. Join. Join.
Ma'am,
Why you
Ma'am,
people don't
ma'am.
follow me? हमेशा ऐसे ही करते हो, जब भी बता कर रहे हैं तब आप नहीं करोगे, और जब हम आगे बढ़
Ma'am.
जाएंगे yes
Ma'am,
everyone mute
which
yourself
one I
and
want to-
talk one by one. इतना बैकग्राउंड आवाज रहता है.
Ma'am, which one I want to keep?
what
Which one? Ma'am, which one I want to take?
Who
on
is
this
this?
class?
Who is this?
Humaira, I joined late.
Why, Humaira, you were there from the starting?
No, I could not hear your voice.
But I was audible to each and everyone now, Humaira. Go to
Ma'am, my
Scratch,
headphone
Imagine, Program and Share. Do it fast. Everyone create your username and password. Went, Humaira? Have you went to that particular place? Go to create, join. Go to this join button. Go to this join button. Have you done it? Humaira, have you done this?
Ma'am, can I screen share and show?
Why you want to show? You can't see this screen?
Ma'am,
You
this
are wasting others' time, beta. You are already just far beyond with others, and still you want according to yourself. It's wrong. You didn't went to this page. Everyone is waiting for you. Humaira, do it fast.
Ma'am, I didn't get this.
तो साथ में तो चलते ही नहीं हो ना, तुम लोग अपने मन से चलते हो सब चीज. See, only because of you. Why you are not? You wrote Scratch in the browser. You went to this place. From past 5 minutes, you are just saying where, and I'm explaining. Still, you are not following. You yourself asked me, na, Scratch, Imagine, Program and Share. Still, you are speaking again and again the same thing. See, can you see this? Scratch, Imagine, Program and Share. Humaira, answer me.
Yes.
Everyone is waiting for you. Click into this Scratch, Imagine, Program and Share.
Okay.
कितनी देर से तो यही चीज तुम्हें समझा रही हूँ, फिर भी आप नहीं कर रहे हो बेटा. अभी ज्वाइन में जाओ. Everyone reached to this place now? Do anyone has any problem till now?
Ma'am.
Yes, किसको प्रॉब्लम है बोलो.
Yes, ma'am, I joined. Ma'am, I joined.
Just अभी मेरे को ये रिपीट नहीं. आप लोग यहाँ तक हो तो ठीक है. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है then raise your hand, and when I allow you then only you will speak. Okay? Everyone reach to this place. अब मैं ये रिपीट नहीं करूँ.
Yes.
कोई भी रिपोर्ट नहीं करूँ.
Yes, yes.
अगर किस अब चुप
When
रहो
I
सब.
type the username, it says taken.
Taken, na? So change the name. Take some other name, because so many students are creating with the same name, na? So many students are creating their IDs, and so it is already taken. You have to change the name. See, I have changed my name as ANU, and I have to, instead of B, I'm taking 6. So now it will take, otherwise it won't take. See. So you have to create with some different kind of combination of name letters, okay? Otherwise it will show you taken. And now everyone will mute themselves, and only if you find any problem, then only you will speak up, okay?
Ma'am, and then I joined.
What you joined? You should have ऐसे जैसे join का बटन दबाया तो आप यहाँ पे पहुंचे होगे हुमायरा.
Yes, ma'am,
तो फिर create करो ना user ID and password. Create it. अभी ये मुझे आप लोग नहीं बताओगे कि आप यहाँ पे हो या नहीं हो. अगर आप नहीं हो, if you are not able to do this, if you find any problem with this, then only you will speak. See, everyone is waiting here. Yes, क्या हुआ?
Ma'am, what is non-binary?
Non-binary number. Why it came binary or non-binary? Where you have find non-binary?
Ma'am, I said join, so it was telling username and that.
Who is this?
Umar.
उमर, तो यहाँ पे क्रिएट करो बच्चा, यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा आपको, आपकी चॉइस का.
Yeah, ma'am, I did. Yeah, I did.
सो क्या हो गया, क्या प्रॉब्लम है फिर?
Ma'am, then you have to do that country.
हाँ
Yes.
तो अभी मुझे आगे आने दोगे? वेट फॉर अ मिनट,
Ma'am,
लेट मी कंप्लीट दिस पेज.
ma'am, when I'm doing this, it's pressing next, it's not happening.
It will happen. Your network will be slow. Some messages showing in your screen here. Some message might show. Now create a password.
No, ma'am. Now
Ma'am,
ma'am, you're showing password.
अरे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तुम लोग चले जाना मेरे, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मुझे. Okay, as soon as you create a password, you will reach to this place, the country you live in. Drop down the arrow and select country as India. Don't put any false information. Even you can write I am.
Then the name is still taken.
Mariam, take a, you can take Mariam. You can take Mariam Kazi and instead of Z, take 2. So what you write, MERYAMKA 2Y or 21. So it will take.
You mean that
which country?
Y, right? That.
Instead of Z and I, write 2 and 1 in your name. So that will be a
Ma'am,
different
can I
kind
share
of-
my screen and show you?
Why? Why you want to share your screen to show me? What is the
Because
problem
when
with you?
Because when I'm pressing my next, it's not happening till now.
Who is this?
It's being pressed, but it's not.
Okay, who is this?
Ma'am, it's me, Mohammed Ali.
You people are not very curious in showing your screen. You are not following me. Just a minute. Just wait for a minute. Now come to next and put your birth date. Okay. Mariam, is it helpful for you? Now are you able to create your ID?
Ma'am, I
and
put my
password?
birth name. I put my birth name. Ma'am,
Select rest
ma'am,
everything.
it's saying usernames cannot have spaces.
Yeah, you can't take a spaces in between. Remove the space in between.
Ma'am, now we have to write our email address.
Yes, you have to write your email ID as well.
Ma'am, the real one, that
Yes,
the Google Chrome account you are using, that one.
Yes, of course.
I see.
Now, Mohammed, is it working now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, show me your screen. Let's see what happened.
Button is also not working.
Ma'am, it's working. I did the country and now I'm doing the birth.
Whose phone is this? Mariam,
Mariam.
I don't ask you to show.
Ma'am, now it's telling get started.
Whose is this? Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali, you have not taken 6 digits in your password. You need to take 6 letters in the password. That's why it's not allowing you to go further. See, a message is popping out. And you have written, just a minute, I am talking to someone. Everyone will keep quiet till then. And you can't take a space in username. Why you people don't listen? Remove the space in between and take 6 letters password. Then only it will allow you to go further. Write the same password in the next tab here. Write the same password.
Ma'am, the name also want to be 6 letters.
No.
Ma'am, we
No.
have to write the where we are born.
Yes, when you have born, your birth date. Muhammad, you have to rewrite the password in the same password. Muhammad, you don't listen. Write the same password again. You need to write the same password again. It's 66. Remove 66 from that. Remove 66. Otherwise, it won't take you. Remove 66. Remove 16 from it. Yes. Now 2. And now you will be allowed. It took. Username is already taken. You have to change the username. See this pop-up message. Write some other username. Instead of double O, take 00. Okay. Now stop share it. Always remember your username and password. Students, please remember your user ID and password. Okay.
Ma'am,
If you are having a habit of forgetting, please write it down in a diary. Yusuf, have you done that?
my next but
Yes, ma'am, I have done it.
Okay, good. Now
ma'am,
who
my
was saying,
next button is not working.
why? Who is this?
Like Muhammad Ali. Humaira.
हुमायरा, अभी मैंने मोहम्मद को गाइड किया, वो सारी प्रॉब्लम्स तुम अपने में भी चेक करो. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
Ma'am, I write six letters of password also.
एंड यूजर नेम गलत होगा. यूजर नेम मस्ट बी ऑलरेडी टेकन टाइप का कुछ दिखा रहा है क्या? यूजर नेम.
Can I share my screen?
चलो शो.
And
Now show me fast. Everyone, please mute yourself and wait for 2 minutes. Let me complete with Humaira. Humaira, show it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
You have not used wrote any of the
Ma'am,
ID
I read-
password. तुमको
Ma'am, I
पर्सनल
written.
अटेंशन नहीं दे पाऊंगी ना हुमायरा में. मुझे और भी तो सभी अगर स्टूडेंट्स का एक एक का यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड बनवाएंगे तो कैसे होगा? राइट इट फास्ट.
Ma'am, I written all the things. Where it went, I don't know.
Okay, write it fast now. Everyone is waiting for you.
Ma'am, I'm trying so many username. It's saying that username is being used.
Yes, of course, because so many students have already created a lot of accounts on Scratch. So the same ID won't be applicable, no? Now rewrite the same password. Go to next button. See, it's
Yes.
as simple as that. तुमको बस एक शौक है कि मेरा स्क्रीन देखो और मेरे को पर्सनली बता. Let me tell you very continuously from the starting you want to show your screen and want me to give you the personal attention. And what about the others? You are not thinking about that. Everyone is waiting for you. Yes.
Ma'am, can you check mine?
Why? You have reached to why you want to show
Yes.
your screen.
There is a written get started, and my username is UAAJ.
No, that's that you remember by yourself, your user ID and password. and you have came to the page where I am going to show you everyone. And in case anyone is, see this kind of a screen, can you see? Everyone, Humaira, mute yourself. You are disturbing the class. Have you? Yes. Now click into get started.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So actually what happened, Bacho? When I am also in the same page and you are also on the same page and you people follow me, then that will be more helpful for each of us. If I am going to see each and everybody's screen now, so others will have to wait a lot and they will feel it a bore kind of thing. And whenever you find any problem, then I'm ready to see your screen. But otherwise, just try to follow me. You will definitely be able to do everything. Okay. Don't unnecessarily try to take a lot of attention, huh? Because every student's time is
Ma'am.
wasted otherwise. Huh?
Ma'am, it's saying that put your username. No, put your email.
हाँ, तो put your email, the original email. अभी तो किसी ने पूछा था, मैंने बताया, तो वो गूगल वाला लेना है पूछा, वो भी बताया. Okay, now what you have to do? अभी आ गए सबको इस पेज पे? Everyone come to get started.
Yeah, ma'am. Featured projects and future studios.
Have you come to get started page?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ से
I
get
clicked it.
हाँ क्लिक कर लिया. चलो अभी यहाँ पर आके create बटन को क्लिक करो. Now just have a look into it and check whether you have written. See my cursor. Can you see your username over here? At this place, everyone is able to see their username. Please answer me. Yes.
Ma'am, you are disconnected.
Yes, I was disconnected. Sorry, guys. So now we are again coming to this Scratch up, and I hope everyone has reached to this place. And you people can see that your username is written over here. Can you see my cursor? And just check that your username is written over here. Everyone got this? Any problem with someone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now go to the create button. Just go to the create button.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see where, ma'am, creating.
Who is this?
Umar. Umar.
Umar. Look here. The Scratch is written over here. Just beside
Yeah.
Scratch, there is create button.
Create.
Click into the
Okay.
create button.
Yes, ma'am, I clicked.
And you will see this screen then. You people are able to see this?
I am saying creating project. Now, ma'am, the screen came.
Okay. Now what you do, everyone pay a very good attention over here. You can see Scratch written over here. A globe is there, a file written, edit written, tutorials written, and untitled. In untitled, write a name by which you want your screen, your program should be known. So write it, any name of your choice,
Ma'am, any name?
any name. It's the name of the program that you are going to create, okay?
Any name of the character?
Anything.
Ma'am, character or anything?
Anything. It is the name of your program. हम एक प्रोग्राम बनाएंगे.
Ma'am, I wrote only Galileo. It is okay?
Yeah. It's okay. Now see, everyone, please pay attention. Okay, everyone pay attention. This is the Scratch programming place. Now, whatever, see, there are three things. There are three windows, in fact, four. There are some circles over here. These are the command blocks. These are the blocks under these circles. And the second part is the coding part. यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? We will drag the codes from this place and put it over here, assemble it here. And whatever we will do in this place, the center window, the thing will be applicable to this cat. This is a cat and this is called as a sprite. Okay, so what I am going to do, I'll make my sprite in such a manner that whatever I ask the sprite to do, the sprite is going to do for me. And how I am going to command this sprite? I am going to drag some commands from this place and drop it in the center position, and accordingly my sprite is going to work. Okay, so what is this cat is called as? This is called as a sprite.
Ma'am,
And wait a minute, Mariam, wait a minute. Wait.
I am in this.
Why you people don't listen? I asked you to wait now. Let me complete first. What is this called as a sprite? There are three places in the window. I'll drag the commands from left and put it in the center. The second important thing is you just make me forget. You people don't stop when I asked you to stop. This is wrong. So this is what we are going to create as a program. Whatever the center part is, it is called as program. And the name of that program we have written here. Okay, got it? Yes, Mariam, tell me what you want to say.
I am in the scratch.
Yes, good.
And
You went, you come to this place now? This screen is visible to you?
No, I didn't come on this. How
Okay.
do we
Did
come on that
did
page?
did you? I've told now. Why you people don't follow at the time when I'm telling you and others one?
ma'am,
यहाँ पे हो, Mariam? Are you here? Are you here?
Yes.
So go to this create button. See my cursor? Go to this create button. Done?
can I tell?
Just a minute, one by one. Yes, Umar, you are raising your hand. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm in the create.
Ma'am, for what are we doing this project for this scratch?
I'm going to tell you now. I'm going to tell you. Follow me properly.
Okay.
Is there someone wants to say something? Oh,
Now I'm on the create.
okay. So everyone came at this place. Everyone come to this place. Sorry, just a minute. At this place, right? Now what? See, the very first command we have to take, go to the motions and the control events. Go to events and here it is written when flag is claimed. What I have done, I have went to event. देखो ये event के circle को press किया मैंने, तो ये वाले commands मुझे दिख रहे हैं, and I'll drag this when flag is clicked to this place. Okay. Whatever program you are going to create, it should be started from when flag is clicked. Now what I want my cat to move further for 20 steps. So what I will do, I'll go to motion. Everyone do the same thing. Okay. I will drag move 10 step wala command, and instead of 10, I clicked into this circle and I'm writing 20 over it. So what I made the sprite to move to 20 step. And now I want my sprite to say hello. So for that, I will pick a command that is an event. No, that is looks. And from here, I could bring this say hello for not for 2 seconds. I'll make it for 5 seconds. Okay. So what I did, I want my sprite to move further for 10 steps and then say hello for 5 seconds. So for that, I have clicked, flag is clicked from events, Then move 20 steps from motions and say hello for 5 seconds.
Ma'am,
From looks.
ma'am?
Yes.
From where how did you get 20 steps? There are only 20 steps, 10 steps.
10 steps, right. So what you will do, ये जो circle है ना, इस पे click करो. तो देखो वो आपको writing करने के लिए space देगा. You just click in the circle and it will allow you to write in the circle and you change the value, whatever value you want to take. Okay, I have asked for 20 steps. Now see what the changes are there in this sprite. So for that, what I have to do, I have to click this flag. Everyone see properly, I have to click this flag. And as soon as I click, what happened? It moved to 20 steps and said, hello. Say hello to my catty cat.
Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to go to sound and say hello for 5 seconds.
Ma'am,
We
if you want to
get-
add characters, so you have to go right down at the.
Just a minute, just a minute. Why you people are not following me? Why you are jumping so fast? अभी तुम लोग को इतना आता है क्या? करके दिखाओ मेरे को इतना चीजें. And then I'll show you how to create a game as well. I'll allow you to create a game as well. But start from the beginning ना. Confusions क्यों create कर रहे हो बेटा? Yes, बोलो.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
how did you do say hello for 5 seconds? They say play sound meow until turn and start sound meow.
But I didn't call you to say go for sound. I asked you to go to looks and pick the command for hello. See, this is the initial program we are working now. Don't jump for the different commands. We will do all the commands, don't worry. We will go with this play sound also, but one by one. Okay, don't jump faster. Go to looks and take the hello command and try to change the time duration. Try to change the number of steps. अगर एकदम जल्दी जल्दी हम बहुत सारे कमांड्स लेंगे ना तो फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. चीजें slowly सीखो, अच्छे से सीखो. Okay, so everyone is able to do this. Any problem
Yes,
till
ma'am.
now?
No, ma'am.
No problem.
Now let's make the sprite say for 2 seconds. Now let's see what the change is. Hello. Now it will say And now I ask him to say my name is. So I want him to say my name is. So what I will do? I'll click into the hello and there it will allow me to write anything. And I'm going to write my name is. My name is Catty Cat. Now see, every time I want to see the output, I have to press this flag. Say it's saying hello, and then it will say and it will say my name is
Ma'am,
Cat.
you also did this in ma'am, you did this also in looks only.
Yeah, from Luxon. Yes. I have dragged this hello command block and instead of hello, I have changed the command. So everyone do this.
How did you do hi, my name is Cat and stuff? I'm not getting.
You have to click into this circle. This oval circle, you have to click into it.
But ma'am,
and change
wait,
the
what
command.
you have to say where did you get say command for
In
2
looks.
seconds?
And looks.
Okay.
And looks.
Okay.
That is why I'm saying don't jump faster. Take it slowly so that you can grasp it properly. Mariam, have you done this? Omar,
I'll do it.
do it fast. And one important thing, you don't have to save the project again and again. Since we have given the name, we have already saved the project. Automatically, it will saved in your account. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my name is Cat, so can I write my cat spelling.
Anything. Whatever you want your cat to speak up, you can write over there. Okay. So now
Ma'am, can we create our own?
what?
one of-
Any command. मतलब अभी यहाँ पे say my name is cat. I have written. You can write anything. My name is I really like Mariam Kazi and she's too
Ma'am,
good.
can I share my screen? I want to show you.
Yes, Umar. Do it fast.
Yeah.
And now everyone will create this kind of command at your home. Yusuf, what you are doing? Yusuf,
Ma'am, can you
you
stop
are
sharing?
sleeping. I'm going to see everybody's screen in the next class. Okay? Press the flag. See, in this way you can create your commands also. Okay? So you can make the cat to work according to you. In the next class, I am going to tell you how your cat will work with more commands. We can also use the sound effects. Okay? Yes, Sidra, tell me, Vita.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm there. But ma'am, I created a story on Scratch.
Okay, that's
May
good.
I show you
Show me.
afterwards?
Yes, of course. And whosoever wants to leave, they can leave the class. And in the next class, I am going to see the programs. Okay. Bye-bye. Yes, Sidra, show me. Play. Sidra, you already know about this Scratch programming.
Ma'am, my brother also did Scratch, so I only joined in his account, so I downloaded it.
Okay. So,
He already had it Scratch.
Ma'am,
so
this is
you create of your own programs. Okay, Sidra? I've told you how to create your own account. Go in your account and create beautiful programs. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is Yusuf. Can I show my screen?
Yes. Sure. यूसुफ तुम शो करने वाले थे ना फिर ये मोहम्मद अली का मेक इट फास्ट यूसुफ ये नहीं चलेगा यूसुफ you have to put all three of these commands together along with move देखो ये ऐसे जो बॉक्स बना है ना उसको फिट करना पड़ता है हमको let me show you stop share yours See, यूसुफ तुमने ऐसे रखा है तो ये वाले कमांड्स काम नहीं करेंगे तुम्हें ना ये जो ये कैविटी बना है ना इस कैविटी को इस हुक में फिट करना पड़ेगा देखो देयर इज अ फिटिंग कनेक्टर so you have to connect the programs together then only it will work okay Yusuf got it you kept it like this you kept your program like this
Ma'am,
in fact
can
this
I make
so
a
it
game?
won't work you can work only like this yeah of course if you are capable enough then definitely go ahead with game तुम लोग को पहले हेलो हाय नहीं करना है पहले गेम बनाना okay good चलो so this is all for today's class we will meet in the next class and see some more commands bye bye
Mama, this is what the